Hi everyone. I thought today we would do something a bit different. So I'm going to show you how to draw a spiral. I see lots of people asking how do you do spirals when I look on different pages on Facebook, etc. So I thought, well, let me show you. So I need to find the centre of my canvas. Which I painted before with acrylic paint. It's had 2 coats of paint on it. Right, so I know where my centre is. Doing that. Let me just rub off any extra lines. I'm going to zoom in, don't worry. So, just zoom in so you can see a bit closer. Okay, so to draw a spiral you need a compass. I have a compass here and I have a pastel pencil in it, white pastel pencil, and I've got my favourite little rubber there in case I need it. Now, that's a putty rubber. The first thing I'm going to do, so we've got the centre in the middle, so we know where that is. So now I'm going to draw a line. Actually, first of all, I'm going to draw a dot. So I'm going to do this with 2 centimetres, okay? So I'm putting a dot where the 2 centimetre line is on my ruler, all right? And now I'm going to draw a line it's about even, doesn't it? I am such a perfectionist sometimes. I need to know, sorry. Right, so come on. So you want about 30. Oh, it was not bad. 15, there you go. Right, so it's 30 centimetres square, this one. Right, so I'm going to draw a line from the middle to that mark I just made there. Okay. Don't press too hard because you're going to be rubbing that line out later. So you really don't want to press too hard. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to, I'm going to label my dots. So the centre dot I'm going to call A, and my second dot I'm calling B. Right, okay, so we've got A and B there. Now I'm going to draw a line going across. Now you don't want to press too hard because you're going to rub this out afterwards. So you might just about see it. Yeah, I think you will. Right, okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my compass point in A and make it so it goes on to B. Okay, so then you see that A to B. Then I'm going to swing the compass round until it reaches this line. Okay, so now we move the compass point to B, where if it was an A we put it into B, and we pull the compass out so that it will actually match this line here, and then we twist the compass round until it's reached this line here. Now where before we was an A, now we move the compass point to, so it was in B, now we put it back into A, and we stretch the compass out until it matches this line here. Okay, can you see that? So I'm in A, not B. And then we swing the compass round until it gets to the next line. Okay, so now we go back to compass point B, stretch the compass out until it reaches this line again, and then we swing the compass round until it reaches this line here. Then we put the compass back into point A, and then we stretch the compass out again until it reaches the line we've just drawn. We swing that round until we've got to this line again. Then we move the compass from A and we put it into B. Stretch the compass out until it's reached that right line again. This isn't the best the compass to use, but it's the best one for me to put my pencil in, so which is why I use it. Pull the compass round until it reaches the edge, reaches that line again. See that? So now we move the compass into A, stretch the compass out until we've reached this line again, and then we twist the compass round until it's reached this line again here. Then we go into B. It's going to be tricky because I don't know if this is actually going to stretch that far. Oh yeah, I'll just about get there. Yeah, just about. And whoops. And then we twist that round, and then we end up off the paper. But if we carry on twisting it, sorry, off the board, we will find that we actually get the corners in. Actually, I can't actually do that one. Well, yeah, I can, but it wouldn't be even. So I'm going to rub that out, because we would have made the compass wider if we'd been able to reach. So it would have gone off the paper to, get my pen out, it would have gone to there. So let's see if I can go into A and make the compass a little bit of a teardrop. I don't think I'm going to be able to. I think I'm going to have to wing it. No, I'm not going to be able to. So I'm going to leave that like that for now. Yeah, I'm happy with how that is. So that, my dear friends, is how you draw a spiral using compass.